Look on the street when the body races. Walking skirts at the home. Feel good Thursday. The top of the street. It's a big strong road. Entertain them. To go out for the result. Not to the boss. Cause I never like the boat. Down. Come on, me, I be a dog. I don't go feed the cut. I don't go feed the guys up. I put my life into my job and the love and the drop. She my little lady. Almighty, looking at your stadium. Scandalous. Remember my New Jersey, beg me, I'm not on Thursday. Look up, play just man. I want to see the one out of this Thursday. Come on! Super Twitch. A Sky Juice, we're gonna retire. What are you doing? She said. Shut up! Uncle Joseph Park.
Boom, gonna do something. We still, forever young. We are Super Twitch, yes.
Boom. No. Twitch, everybody know just come on the stage with them say. Give some space, pay for this a Super Twitch. Living legend. I know Chupa Chalupa. Always play up here. This, when I look now, we have to do it the real and proper way. This is Super Twitch. So me I say? Yeah, legendary. The man was sharing down jar right. Say, boy, I say that, him no more Super Twitch. Make your voice spirit, my bro.
Boom. They said that 60 something they said another go. You know when I go work with it. Remember me invest in a die. I mean the name Macadam and them. You understand? We got father Paul. And Sky Juice them and the end of them. You understand? But remember good, we invest in a dye. We have dye bubble baths. We have dye lotion. You understand? So, boom boom. Let me tell you something. It's never honor you yet. We don't know whether we wait for. You see that youth here? One of the greatest youth on the ground. Love and honor, respect youth. I'm going to tell you this from my heart. If them the give with them to give, we don't give to blood. You understand? One bump on the ground. You see that youth here, the bump one here. I but the one that wants I be saying him. Yeah man, a real king. You understand? So but them don't say no. One boom boom on the ground, one uncle represent. You see? People have uncle Twitch. That's what I say. But Super Twitch, Saturday at Sumfest. When Sumfest done, nobody never talk about Vibes Cartel and about it. And nobody never talk about my setup never play. You can see the history. What about? But back to the chocolate. Stop that! She said, so fucking stuff. When I turn the pressure on, bring her up on the stage. Are you a moment though? Bring her up on the stage. Everybody take out on the phone. Jesus Christ. Go run, zoom me in. Watch the foreigners up now. People, this is Can't Tire. The only dancer we can't tire in a real life. Stop the song. Can't Tire. I wanted to entertain these people for now with one song. Just the they are in seat already and Chupa Chalo. But at the first Super Twitch I was saying, hi darling, where are you from?
Israel.
You're from Israel?
Israel, no.
Is your first time coming to Jamaica?
No man.
You always come to Jamaica?
We from Jamaica.
Oh, you're from Israel. You're from Israel. You're from Israel. Nobody here you're from Israel? Israel people, make some noise! I can hear you. Can't tire.
We're going on there. We're tired. Okay. We're tired. My princess. Shelly belly. If ever sleep, we're going on there. But Magaiba, roast lad. Magaiba there. You got room? Magaiba. Magaiba there. I didn't go to the assembly. Who was that scam calling God? Hey! They were stallion boy say, oh my God, energy king there. Oh! Oh! Magaiba there! Watch your excitement here. No! Lord God! Come on now, come right here, we have a call for reinforcement like England. Because there is no way we can stop Messi. But we have a call for reinforcement. Yeah? With England and with the match for Jamaica. Watch out now. Why you help me? The two of them plan for me, they come from Chile. This is a Europe card. Which one you want work first? Go for one. Now what do you want? I stand here on this one hand. People take out on the phone. Don't miss how many times. Watch out. Just this one, I said. Don't get no trouble. I skill this thing. You hear me? Magaiba. Ready? What up, what up, this?
Hot, hot. Hot, 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 hot. My son look hot, and him like it a lot. So I rub up on the beat like a boiling pot. When you wine up body, you like it like that. When you hear them a chat. Big man, she was sweat for
We're the tired.
People, when you don't think so, these are easy. Tired of fuck.
No, you have to hold the next one. Oi! Where you go? Go up here. Come here now, you in the orange in your ears. That's how you're sexy. Yeah. Remember the hot spice tonight? Boy, your blood clot tired. At 6 months, you don't come and cheerlead. You're going to work tonight. Play back your song, a spice, the hottest girl song.
hot, 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 hot.
Push it up.
Hot, 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 hot. My son look hot, and him like it.
Jump up on it.
On the beat like a boiling pot. When you wine up body, you like it like that. When you hear them a chat, hot, hot, hot. Hot like sun, yeah, me hot like pepper. Big man, she was sweat run like with expensive diamond comb, but me deliver. Hot.
Some money. Any money you want now, give me. You want chatty and salty first. Magaiba, don't let. I have some money for you. Remember 5K here. Jazzy, a US? You not give a US? Go.
Shoes that.
Chupa chalupa.
More money, bro.
A 10 grand to get in case of 10 seconds. More money? So am I getting one of my money full of? Alright, Paula Church. US again? Come out from a blood clot stage.
Well, I'm boom. When you are sitting again, almost cash, right? Lean up close. Baby.
Normally the boy make a while and I go there, long and juggle and I make a dagger. But I change my game little. Alright, hold on. Change my game. I just Shanbury. 31st of July, I'm a party. I'm too round me up for the girl, you know. That one there in first row. Yeah. I just Shanbury. Jonas! 22nd August, a party load. Boys are here. Back at home. Boys, nice Ricky. You know, I'm about the road manager. True Pachalupa, I'm about the selector. You know I go. People, the song here is a serious song. More on the video yourself now. And hot fanboy night. Remember in a sofa picture, me I'm going to say fanboy. Me I'm going to make you run back the place as a 90s artist. Some people laugh off of me and never believe. But me I really out to believe in anything what me I do. Me not care what them a say. Famba the hottest 90s artist right now. Famba are the hottest 90s artist right now. We're not talking about the gimmick stuff now. Or the joke where we run on social media. We are talking about a song right now. We are uplift every ghetto youth, every ghetto girl. All who believe in the dreams and believe in the self. Put them in two and a year make God see. See the blood clots and all the world I talk about. Man of God. Some things on Instagram now. I come blocks. I'm saying my friend them emoji. The boy them I use to talk about why them stuff say why. Yeah, me have to fix that part because some boy they know the meaning of love. Me know the meaning of love. All who love your friend and I don't see you and your friend apart from day one. Bust a black off for your friend now and salute the blood clots on you. weekend I make it the biggest night. The 31st, boom boom alkaline life, a dream weekend. People, it's going to be a night to remember. Me not play with pussy friend. Me not read no farmer pussy friend. All who know so your friend them real to you, real to your friend them. Salute the song again. Never salute. People, you see nice streets? We have ups and downs. I saw the life set like you're in a living in a tenement here. But you never hear the youth in the street. No scam can try to kill them cool worker. We cuss and we fight because that's how we grow. And then you got to hear that we got. You hear that? Big up every street man up on the song. Give me that. Put the skin. We smooth that. Listen now. Look a pussy, you hear that? Just make a push jam. I'll give me the reading first, no man. I'm gonna walk up in here, no man. Give me the reading, no man. Mix the reading, no man. Some boy afraid to talk about them life story. But talk about my life story. Cause the guiltiness today in my life story. My conscience set me free. My past. Me no overcoming. I may never overcoming. I'm my first baby mother. Break my heart. She left me. Me and her from school days. When Ballas come on when me are 15, me at high school. And she left me. She gave up on me. I'm in here to end myself. Real life super twitch. When my baby mother left me, I stress out. But I never mad out. Can't sleep. She licked my chip cause me love her. But guess what I'm going now? Cost me. I overcome as a G, so I'm not afraid to talk my life story. Any man where they ever say a girl is and say a girl never break your heart and lie your blood clotted. Remember my past? Me and a friend killer. Me not snitch for my friend then. Me name never call for batty. Now I am in pussy. Me straight from the day of the bar. Every straight man and straight woman where they have gun on in the air and salute the fuck out. Look over there, son. Over there, son.
Nobody not perfect, but still like the perfect, but still one was a lie, me a road these days. I don't wash out the bleed. And I find me my
That will never happen. You see, man, we are gatekeeper, you know, and them want to be talk about that talk. You hear that? Cause them a gatekeeper, you know. You hear that? Them a gatekeeper me now. But me build my platform them. You see it? I entertain people on my fan base big. You see it? People, If you're not haters, nothing not going for you. If you don't get fighting, don't make sense. From the little and bro, one of the old people them slap. The hot and the buckle, a sweet and the blood clot victory. I don't believe in this, sir. Go on, I hear the pussy them say. Looking at the crowd. Looking at the crowd. Looking at the crowd. Crack up. Big win, victory from Mama John the God. Super fish there. Oh yeah, I get 10 grand. Put 5 more grand on it from night when I make the money. Thank you very much. Really much. I got to bell this. Anybody who want to play can see it. You come to go, chat DJ 65. Contract of the right now, when I have life, you'll find out. No more business. to buy road partners. And that's what the market. I'm here to resident beach and we're going to joke. I'm going to want to go to Paris. Pay back in here. Please, my big bro, tell Pana to top the line. Remember, like they gone. But just in a me mojo. Give me back here, ready. One more song, Pony Crow. Ready? Oh my lord.
Oh my God.
Give me back here, mixing the mambo like a rapper still. and you don't like you. I'm play the song, so I'm never know it's
For so many dead by his own distract, will they sacrifice? Questions are still unanswered.
Violate me.